Welcome to Coca Tech. Today, we're witnessing the fastest firewood splitting machines on the planet. Look at that, logs split in the blink of an eye. No axe swinging, no effort, just press a button. Sit back, enjoy your tea or coffee, and let us know what you think. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment and connect with everyone now. Tension is through the roof, a dangerous hanging tree. This is no job for rookies. The chainsaw screams, each cut as precise as a surgeon's scalpel. And the team works like they're defusing a ticking time bomb. One wrong move and boom! Heart pounding every second, breathtaking every moment. And then, success. A smooth, clean, and masterful execution. Absolutely thrilling. LKT-81T. Tilted machine, but rock-solid driver. Just a little rollover? No worries. As long as nothing breaks, it's all good. At this rate, the cabin will soon be a scoreboard. This house refused to go down without a fight. They tried to demolish it, but it said, "No way," and climbed up the tree instead. This isn't demolition, this is a legendary escape. This 45-ton steel beast doesn't mess around. With a 710 horsepower Cat C18 heart, the RJS Raptor XGL devours massive logs like a light snack. Its 3-meter-long shredding shafts spin furiously, tearing through timber like a hot knife through butter. Absolute power, relentless performance. This is the undisputed king of wood shredding. A massive tree takedown in the swamp. The chainsaw roars, each cut as sharp as a surgeon's scalpel, and then, crack, the giant crashes down in a display of pure power. Mud flies, water splashes, and the adrenaline surges. And today, the lumberjack claims victory. The beast crushes everything in its path. The Bandit 3680 roars to life, devouring wood, asphalt, and even demolition debris like a light snack. No mindless smashing, just pure, ruthless precision shredding, turning useless waste into valuable resources. A top-tier performance, the Svetruck TMF 2821 moves with power and grace, lifting massive logs as if they were matchsticks. And who's behind the wheel? A fearless female driver. Precision, skill, not a single mistake. Every lift, every turn, smooth as a dance. The ultimate log-splitting beast is here. The Spaltfix K540 goes to work like a warrior, tearing through 55 centimeters logs in the blink of an eye. 15 tons? 35 tons? No problem. One cut, one split, and the wood shatters into perfect pieces like magic. Smooth joystick control, top-tier technology. This is the machine for those who want to conquer timber at lightning speed. Brutal stump execution. The SG-75 roars to life, its blades spinning like a tornado, shredding through stubborn wood fibers. Every rotation is a ruthless strike. What was once a proud stump is now nothing but sawdust. Insane performance, blistering speed, and unstoppable power. A brutal stump execution. The SG-75 roars to life, its blades spinning like a tornado, shredding through stubborn wood fibers. Every rotation is a ruthless strike. What was once a proud stump is now nothing but sawdust. Insane performance, blistering speed, and unstoppable power. ultimate mobile firewood processing machine. The Spalt-fixed K-Vario charges into action like a master warrior, cutting, splitting, and breaking down logs with absolute precision. This beast doesn't mess around. One push of a button, one swift turn, and boom, firewood stacks up effortlessly. Insane efficiency, lightning speed, and most importantly, total mobility. The 80-ton beast is unleashed. The JBM roars, the wedge drops, and the log shatters into 24 pieces in the blink of an eye. No negotiations, no mercy. Wood goes in one side, firewood comes out the other. Fast, brutal, perfect. Ultimate CNC masterpiece, 1,043 pieces. Each detail is unbelievably perfect. Design time, surely endless. Cutting, gluing, assembling, a marvel of precision and patience. This isn't just a product, it's a true work of art. Absolutely insane. And this is exactly why you don't pull a tree out like this. Boom! The tire takes off like a rocket and lands perfectly in the tree. Who needs physics when you have free entertainment like this? A golden moment courtesy of the algorithm. Clock's ticking. 9 cubic meters of firewood. Can the Palax C750 Pro Plus beat the clock? Logs in, blade down, and oh boy, we've got some stubborn ones. Back it up or use a little trick. Which strategy will prevail? The suspense is real. LKT-81. Turbo slides down like a pro ski racer. Ice? Steep slope? No problem. The driver's skills are insane. Handling it like an artist. Sitting on the blade must have been a heart-pounding thrill. But hey, that's the real experience. The Komatsu 911CX S92 goes to work like a demolition beast. The blade swings, the trees fall, and every move is as smooth as a deadly dance of steel. This is so mesmerizing, I could watch it all day. But hey, what's the deal with that color on the log after cutting? This log splitter is an absolute beast. No wood stands a chance. One press, one crack. Boom! Firewood ready to go. Pure power, insane efficiency, and just one word: legendary.